Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 13 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And here, since we are in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar. And as you can see on the second position from the right, we've got the timer. Let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 3 more options from which we can choose 3. I believe it is 5 and 10 seconds delay. All we have to do is to tap on the option we want to use. So let me pick 10 seconds and then simply tap on the shutter button. And from now on, the device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that time, it will take a photo. What is also useful is that your device will show you and highlight the option which is set, so you can always check whether you've got the timer or not, so you will not be surprised with the counting. Of course, if you want, you can pick all of other options, and if you want to turn it off, just tap on this simply timer icon or clock icon. Just tap on it, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.